The following video tutorial will cover the new photo editor that has been added to our website. The first way to access this photo editor is to go to your edit profile page, which is seen here, and click on the master photo area. Let's go ahead and go to select photo. Select any photo from your hard drive and upload it to the system. And then select that photo. Initially, the system is going to want to crop it to fit in the master photo area, and when you hit apply, it's going to reveal a set of tools along the top. It's important to note that you can click on this arrow and get to further tools for editing the photo. Now, I'm not going to cover the particulars about each one of these editing options. However, I will go through a few of them for you. Most of them are going to be rather self-explanatory, and you're best served to just get in and play around with the different options. The first one we're going to go to here is called Enhance. And this is really just kind of an autocorrect type mode. For example, here on this one, I'm just going to go to Color Fix, and you'll see that it took some of the redness out of this image. If I hit cancel, you'll see the original image again. So I'm going to go back to Enhance and click on Color Fix, and if I like the changes, in which I do here, I'm just going to click on Apply. When you save the changes, it'll automatically update on the profile. The process for editing or uploading and editing the then, now, and yearbook photos are exactly the same as what I just went over for the master photo, so I'm not going to cover those here. However, there are other locations in the system where you're able to access that photo editor, so I'd like to go ahead and show you those now. The second location would be as if you were to come over here to this Click to Add button and open that up, where you'll once again get the photo gallery window, and then upload a new photo. Once that loads, you can come over to the image and hover over the pencil icon and go down to where it says Adjust Photo. Now I can take advantage of these photo editing tools once again. This time I'm going to select the cropping tool. And for this particular image, I'd like to crop the bottom half of the image out and hit apply. And I'll go ahead and save. Let me click done. You'll notice that this preview needs to be refreshed in order to see it properly, but once you refresh the page, you'll see the proper image. And then if I were to go to the actual profile, you'll see that the image does come up in the proper format under your latest interactions. As well as, if you click on the photo here, it'll take to the gallery view, which is the full-size view. And finally, the third location that I'd like to go over, we'll need to go back to the profile view, so let me click back to Profile Details, and you'll see this Post a Comment on Your Profile box. From within this box, you're able to add a photo, which not only goes into your gallery but also onto your timeline, that you're able to share with other members of your site. You do need to add a comment here, so in this particular case I'm just going to say the woods, and I'm going to click add a photo, and we'll go back to this particular photo. And once it loads, you'll be able to hover over and go to this Adjust button. So in this case, I've got a vertical image that is being displayed horizontally, and I'd like to change that. So I'm going to go to the orientation. I'm going to rotate it counterclockwise and apply. Additionally, I might also want to work on the contrast of this image. So I'm going to work with the contrast here. Apply. And I think I like how that turned out, so I'm just going to save. Once you're happy with the image and you've saved it, you can go ahead and post your comment, and you'll see that it displays in your latest interactions. So those are the three basic methods of accessing the photo editor in the system. I do encourage you to get in and play with the tool and see what kind of fun effects you can add to your photos to share with your members.